In this video, I'm going to show you on how you can replace Slack with ClickUp. So, without further ado, let's begin. First, open your web browser and go to app.clickup.com and log in to your ClickUp account. Once you're inside the main dashboard, go to the top right or top left to access your settings. Now, from your settings, scroll down until you go on integrations and ClickUps, and from there, click on imports and exports. Click on import items, and you should see the numerous ways for you to import items into ClickUp. Now, we have the option to import from local files. But if we want to import from apps like this, one of the options is to import from Slack. So basically, to replace Slack with ClickUp, we're going to transfer our data from Slack into ClickUp. So we need to integrate these two apps first. So click on Slack, and then we have the option to either upload or to use an API key. So we're going to use the upload option. So next, and then simply select your Slack export file right here. Once you drop this, follow a few more steps, and voila, you now have your imported Slack files on your ClickUp account. And you can now use ClickUp to navigate through those files. And that's it. So if you find this video helpful and want to support our channel, feel free to use the affiliate link given in the video description. Thanks for watching, and I will see you on my next video.